The World Health Organization, or WHO, is pretty much exactly what it sounds like. Diseases, nutrition, food and water security, aging, birth rates, mental health. If there is a health-related issue on Earth, they know about it. But on May 25th, 2019, the WHO weighed in on something that you would not expect them to: video games. Specifically, they introduced a new mental health condition: gaming disorder, or video game addiction. Now, we know that a good video game can be tough to put down, but addicting? Is this really a cause for concern? Get ready, Player One. We're downloading the truth on KnOWLedge's General Knowledge. We humans love to joke all the time about being addicted to stuff like pizza or hockey, but really loving anything a lot, from a sport to a food to, yes, a video game, is not addiction. An addiction occurs when a person cannot stop themselves from doing things that they believe will make them feel good, even if it's clear that these actions are causing bad things to happen as well, or just instead. To understand how such a fun activity could end up having such tragic consequences for some people, we should take a closer look at what video games are and how they fit into our culture. From the arcade game boom of the late 1970s to the home entertainment systems of the 1980s, video games have actually been with us for decades. But what started as a series of fun, entertaining distractions like Pac-Man, Asteroids, and Donkey Kong have definitely evolved over the years. Modern video games, especially online role-playing games such as World of Warcraft or Fortnite, are characterized by their immersive virtual worlds and their highly social gameplay. They feature creative design and storytelling, and in many cases are a safe place for people to build real friendships with other players. What's wrong with that? Absolutely nothing. Even the WHO estimates that well over 99% of gamers are doing just fine. Yes, even those ones that can seem very obsessive and enthusiastic to people who don't quite understand. In this way, they're no different than, say, huge sports fans. In their free time, they play their games, loving every minute of it, then they go to sleep, wake up, and go to school or work. But what if they don't go to school or work? Or really sleep, or eat, or even go outside? These are the less than 1% of gamers that can really struggle with gaming disorder. According to the WHO, there are 3 things that a person must exhibit in order to be considered addicted. They cannot control their gaming. The gaming takes precedence over all other hobbies and activities. And the gaming continues despite the fact that there are clear and serious negative consequences. The bottom line? If you're a video game enthusiast, this news should not stop you from gaming. It's just about keeping balance in your life. From limiting your screen time to making sure that your week includes stuff like activities, exercise, socializing, plenty of healthy food, and fresh air, you'll be doing just fine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe below to keep your brain uploaded with all the latest episodes of KnOWLedge's General Knowledge.